guys and gals out there, this is Rockin' Rafi bringing you another edition of Rockin' Rafi's Home Cooking. And if you're here for the first time, I hope you like what you see, and don't forget to subscribe and click that little notification bell to see the latest videos I've got in store for you. Today's episode, well, you can say it's gonna be jamming. That's right. You've already seen the sneak peek of this bacon jam in my previous video, and the link is above for that beer bread. This is bacon jam. We're calling all bacon lovers for this episode. I mean, who doesn't love bacon, right? So what are we waiting for? If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get this jam on. And today's star of the show, bacon. Okay, let's start off with 10 ounces of Applegate's natural, organic, no sugar added bacon slice. Let's slice them up lengthwise and then into small pieces using a chef's knife like this one. And then place the bacon in a pot over medium to high heat, stirring occasionally. In the meantime, let's go ahead and dice up a medium-sized onion. So, talking about this knife, these two knives I'm using in today's episode handles cutting and dicing really well, and I recommend it for anyone who is looking to get a professional knife without breaking your bank. The Amazon link for both these knives are in the description right down below. Its ergonomic grip, I mean, it handles like a pro. I mean, I love the way it feels. Dice up a half a large jalapeno, but if you're looking for more of a spicier jam, then by all means go ahead and dice up one whole jalapeno. However, some jalapeno are spicier than others. Proceed with caution. Now let's crush and chop up 3 fresh organic garlic cloves. Let's remove the bacon and bring it to a paper towel and drain the bacon grease from the pot, except for about 1 tablespoon. We want to keep that bacon juice for flavor. Now let's add the onions, garlic, and jalapeno to the pot with the bacon grease. And stir for 3 to 4 minutes until we sweat out the onions. So keeping the 1 tablespoon of bacon fat inside is crucial, because what it's doing now is with the onions and the jalapeno and the garlic that we just added is just combining more flavor to sweat things out with. And speaking of flavor, wait till you see what we're adding next. Now add a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and stir until the sugar has completely dissolved. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of Guinness beer. Okay, maybe a little bit more. 3 tablespoons of freshly brewed coffee of your 1/4 cup of bourbon, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and a 1/3 cup of high quality maple syrup. Bring back the bacon to the pot and reduce the heat to low and simmer. Continue to simmer until the liquid has been reduced, and you end up with something that looks like this. Bacon lovers, here it is. What we've all been waiting for, the bacon jam. It smells amazing because I can taste it with just the aroma of the ingredients we mixed all together. So the time has come. Let's try it out. And you know, I've never had bacon jam before, and I'm sure most of you out there haven't either. So I'll be the guinea pig, no pun intended, to the bacon. Okay, where has this been all my life? The bacon is intense with the bursting flavors of the Guinness beer and a hint of the coffee flavor. There's a subtle note of the bourbon we used as well. And by adding the brown sugar and maple syrup, it made it similar to a candied bacon with a sweet taste, yet combining an impactful sweet meets savory dish. Keep in mind that the alcohol has been burned off, so we are tasting a non-alcoholic bacon jam. And I'm really amazed with this. And you might be wondering, what on earth can I eat bacon jam with? Well, you can use it as an appetizer served with crackers at your pool party. Put some on top of an omelet. You can add a dollop of this amazing bacon jam as a condiment to your burgers. You can even smother it inside a grilled cheese sandwich. The options are endless. And in the previous episode, we made what we call beer bread. You can make that and serve it alongside with this bacon jam. The two go in perfect harmony. Click the link above to make that awesome beer bread today. And that just wraps up today's episode. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me hear your thoughts on this bacon jam. Share with your friends and family, and that bell. Click on that bell so that you are notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking.